Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube tutorial. My name is Adeola Deus and this is the Glimpse Media TV. Alright, on this channel I train you on how to grow your online business or how to start an online business. I'm a website designer by profession, a digital marketer, and I also teach on how to use your artificial intelligence to grow your business. So if you are just joining this channel for the very first time, you are just seeing my video for the very first time, make sure you subscribe on my channel. You locate Glimpse Media TV on YouTube and then click on subscribe. Now to subscribe is free, so you just click on subscribe. You are not paying anything to subscribe, but then when you subscribe you'll be able to have access to my video, like the first hand information on my video. Anytime I drop a post you have access to it, and I have so many videos on my channel, like how to make money online using Canva in 2023. So a lot of videos are on my channel that you can actually learn from. Alright, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so that I can get more videos from time to time. So let's dive in. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create how to use your AI to generate your social media content that you can use from time to time. Alright, you know, there are times whereby you have something to post on your social media but you do not know what to post. Alright, maybe you don't have content to post on your social media account. Probably you are actually a fashion designer, or you are a makeup artist, or you just have something doing online but you don't know how to generate content for it. Alright, you can use this artificial intelligence to actually create a content for your social media pages. Alright, and it can also generate like 30 days content for you. From time to time you just go to your, maybe copy the 30 days post it's created for you, and then you just pick it on a daily basis and you have something to post for your audience to see. I know content creation is all about you disseminating valuable information about your brand, about yourself, you know, to people from time to time. Alright, so sometimes you may just lost ideas on what to post, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to create. So this artificial intelligence is going to help you. Alright, all you just need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and locate ChatGPT. Alright, ChatGPT, it's actually an artificial intelligence. You can see it now. It says ChatGPT is an AI powered language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text based on context and past conversation. Alright, so it actually helps you to create content for your brand and even sometimes for yourself. So if you are a business owner, ChatGPT can actually be your PA, that is your personal assistant. Alright, and it can generate even letters for you, or even skits and all of that for you. So basically in today's video all you just need to do is to log on to ChatGPT. You log on to ChatGPT and you sign up with them. So if you don't have an account with them, you just sign up with them. But for me, I have an account with them, so I don't need to sign up anymore. Alright, for you, if you are just joining and if you are just seeing this video for the very first time, you're just hearing about artificial intelligence for the very first time, all you just need to do is to locate ChatGPT on your Google Chrome. Alright, and then you sign up with them, follow the instruction that is given, and then from there you have this kind of interface. So you can use your mobile phone too, you can also use your laptop too if you want to use your laptop. So for today I'm going to write I'm going to tell ChatGPT it's like a robot. Alright, but it's something you communicate with, like you just chat with and then it gives you response. So I can say write a 30-day post for my fashion business. Alright, write a 30-day post for my fashion business. Now you can see it works like a magic. Can you see it now? So it's giving me response for a 30-day post for my fashion business. Alright, so how many days is this day 21, so it gave me 21 days post. Alright, you can see it now. So the first day, you see, welcome to your business name. We are trying to kick off this 30-day journey with you. Get ready for daily fashion inspiration and exclusive offers. Follow us and stay stylish. So you can see it now. Product spotlight. So when you are doing your social media account, like you're trying to manage your social media account, there are times that you don't just tell people to buy from you and all the time. You understand? Hey, there are times you just need to give out useful information to your audience on your social media account, on your social media page. You understand? And this makes your audience to want to follow you, to also get a kind of simulation like, oh, why do I need to follow this person? But then this person gives information, so I should stay with this person. You understand? So having ChatGPT can actually be your best personal assistant. Alright, so you can sign up with ChatGPT to get 30 days post for your fashion business. So it's very, very simple to do. So if you are not cool with this response, you could just regenerate response. So I could click on this regenerate response. I will click on regenerate response. So you see it has day 1, day 4, shoe crush, things you may not even be able to imagine. So it will generate for you. You can see it now. It will generate for you. So it gave you 14 days here, right? It gave you 14 days here. And if you are not satisfied, you could just give it more, regenerate more options. Right? So if you are a writer, for example, or maybe you are writing a letter to let's say okay, let me say I want to write about my business, for example. Let me say write about the Glimpse Media, a digital marketing and website designing firm in Benin City. Okay, so I wanted to write about the Glimpse Media, but I have to state what the Glimpse Media is into, and that's why I added what? A digital marketing and website designing firm in Benin City. Alright, so I'll just click on enter. Okay, you see she's going to write about it now, about Glimpse Media. See, you can see it now. So since at Glimpse Media, we are more than just a digital marketing and website designing firm. We are your dedicated partner in achieving online success. Situated in the heart of Benin City, Nigeria, we bring a wealth of creativity, innovation, and technical expertise to the digital landscape. You can see it now. So it's giving me something I might not be able to, come up with. You understand? Within seconds. You understand? So that's what makes ChatGPT to be awesome. So if you are here to try ChatGPT, I will advise you you try it, and you can use it for a number of functions. You just ask ChatGPT for anything, it will create it for you. Also, if you want to write a skit, write a skit on what made James sad. Write a skit. You see it now. Is writing a script for me now, a movie script or a short script. You can see it. So if this is awesome, you'll see this now. Says title The Mystery of James Sadness. It also gave me the title I need. Characters: you have James, you have Sarah, you have Mark, James co-worker, Lisa, James sister. Setting: a cozy coffee shop, right? So you have scene 1. Inside a coffee shop, James is sitting alone at the table looking sad. So Sarah entering the coffee shop and noticing James. Hey James, you look down, what's bothering you? So you sit now. So he's writing all of this for me. So all I just have to do is to copy it. To copy this content, for example, I'll just click on this. I'll click on copy. Alright, and then I get the results. So you see it now. So you can use AI for a number of functions. So if you are a business owner, ChatGPT can actually be your friend to creating content for you. And if you are not a business owner, maybe you are a content creator, you need something to to write on and all of that, you can actually use ChatGPT to create it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are yet to subscribe on my channel, make sure you subscribe on my channel to get first-hand information from time to time on how to use artificial intelligence and how to grow your business online. And remember, we teach on website designing, digital marketing, and if you also want to learn how to run ads, you can also run ads. I value your comments, I value your likes, I value your subscription, so you can subscribe to my channel. It's definitely free for you to subscribe, so you're not paying any fee to subscribe. Thank you, and I see you in my next video.